Hi traders, Andrew Mitchem here, the Forex Trading Coach. Welcome along to another weekly video. Today is Friday the 8th of March. Well, yesterday I held a live 2-hour trading room session for my clients, and in that session we looked at some really important candle patterns that we're looking for. And overall I'm looking at continuation patterns or reversal patterns. But prior to the actual confirmation, ideally what I like to see is an exhaustion pattern. So what I mean by that is, let's say we were in an uptrend, I then see an exhaustion and then a confirmation to go short. It's the exhaustion that's given me the clue, the early warning before the confirmation to go short. That's a reversal pattern. For a continuation, we may be in an uptrend, we get a pullback and a pullback to a certain level, and then we see exhaustion, then a bullish pattern to go long again. So on both instances, the reversal and the continuation pattern, the exhaustion candle does give us a lot of clues, especially if it occurs at a really important bounce level. And I discuss a lot more of that within the course itself. We looked at some 4-hour charts and looked at some really good trades that we'd taken over the last few days on the 4-hour charts. And we also took a 15-minute chart on the British pound US dollar, selling with the 150 level, the big round number, in the way as a barrier, as a resistance level. I also shared with my clients a really exciting new website that I have for them, which is a clients only login site, and that's containing all the course notes, the videos, the help desk, software, everything all within one place. So a really valuable resource for clients to gain and also revisit the course information. A word of warning, we have the non-farm payrolls later today, so for me that's early hours of Saturday morning, but it's 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York. So at that time I always like to have my trades closed prior to then, especially the shorter time frame charts. The daily charts I may leave open during that news. It depends really on how they are placed at the time. If they're in reasonably good profit, I might just close them for the week and close out and then just watch the news announcement. Also to let you know that this Sunday the American and Canadian clocks move, so the daily trade suggestions that I'm posting, especially on like Forex Peace Army, they will be 1 hour earlier. So for those of you outside of the States and Canada, those trade suggestions will come through 1 hour earlier. It will still be 5 p.m. New York time, but just for your local time, that will adjust just by the 1 hour. On the charts, we've seen the euro yesterday just suddenly pulled back up again. So we're getting some renewed buying into the euro. And whether that continues or not, we don't really know at this time. I'm preferring to look for buy trades on the euro, a lot of the euro pairs today, but it may just be a really short time that I'm looking for that. Who knows what non-farm payrolls will bring and where the currencies head into next week. The only trade I've taken myself today on the daily charts is a short position on the British pound Swiss franc, looking for that to continue downwards like it has been quite strongly. And then that's really all the trades, so just be aware of that non-farm payroll and take care over that. Close your positions out before then. Have a look at those charts about the reversal and continuation patterns. Look for that prior exhaustion. It's a really important thing to look for. So I hope that helps you, and I look forward to bringing you some more news this time next week.